Jai Hind students. Today topic is Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is a component of MS Office package. You know, PowerPoint is a powerful communication tool used to present our views and ideas effectively through visual aids. It is widely used in business world and also in school to teach different topics. Microsoft PowerPoint helps in providing a better understanding of the subject. We can generate handout material and speaker's note after creating a presentation. A presentation can be projected on a big screen by attaching the computer of a multimedia projector. We can easily import data from Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, any other pictures and videos files. A presentation can be made more powerful and effective by adding some special effects to it. These special effects include slide background, animation effect, slide transitions, inserting buttons, clips. Like today we will learn here how can start Microsoft PowerPoint presentation file, how can start your PowerPoint views, how can you present your PowerPoint presentation, apply different background to the slides, animation, text and object on the slide. Yes students, before you should know what is the presentation and what is the slide. Presentation. What is a presentation? A presentation is a collection of slides arranged in sequence manner to entertain, motivate, convey and give information. This is a presentation. And what is a slide? A slide is like a page in a presentation that displays a brief information you want to communicate with your audience. Let us see how can we start, how can you open your PowerPoint presentation from your computers or PC or laptops. Just see. First click on start button, choose the all apps, then down the scroll bar and search here where is a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Here is given PowerPoint 2016 and click on this icon to open. When you have to open this file, it will be structures will be this type and choose the blank presentation. It is the first screen. By default screen has the open of Microsoft PowerPoint. Once again click on start button and choose the all apps or all programs and scroll down for that to search it where is Microsoft PowerPoint. So it is from choose here Microsoft PowerPoint. It is a P for PowerPoint 2016. Select this icons and press the enter button or click of the mouse, left button click of the mouse to open. Option will be appears and choose the blank, it will be opened. It is the first method to open. Next method, searching method. Click on search windows and type here PNT. POWER PNT, power PNT, and press the enter button to open. Listen and choose the blank. It is the open PowerPoint. Once again, how can you open PowerPoint from the search windows? Type here POWERPNT without spacing and press the enter button of the keyboard to open PowerPoint. Yes, to open PowerPoint. Then after choose blank presentation. It is a blank presentation. Click on it to open. Yes, understood? How can you open PowerPoint presentation? One more method is there. If shortcut documents on your desktop, or you can also create easily. Right click of the mouse button and choose the new, and here is a if installed in your computers this applications, so it will be appear here, and choose the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation for the shortcuts, and it is a shortcut of that Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Double click on it to open. Yes, understood? Now slide background. By default, all slide in your presentation use a white background. It is a by default. It is easy to change the background style for some or all of your slides. Backgrounds can have a solid, gradient, patterns, or pictures fill. Yes, backgrounds can have a solid, gradient, pattern, or pictures fill. So let us see how can you have to change format background. First select the design tab and click the format background command. Option will be appear. Then after, the format background pane will be appear on the right side. Select the desired fill option. In your example, we will use to solid or any other one with a light gold color. And then after, picture will be appear, format background. From that you can choose any one, and then after, the background style of the select slide will update. If desired, you can click apply to all. If particularly, click on OK, not for the apply to all, for the particular slide. To apply the same background style to all slide in your presentation, if you have selected apply to all. Yes, let us see how you can. First open Microsoft PowerPoint. Yes, all programs, all apps, and P for PowerPoint. Choose from the P side and open, double click on to open PowerPoint presentation. Then after, choose design tab. Here is the design tab, and then click the format background and choose the background. See, format background is appear. Solid fill, gradient fill, pictures or texture fill, patterns fill, hide background graphics. The background pane will be appear on the right side. Select the desired fill option which you want. Suppose I want to gradient fill, and preset gradient is here. Choose from this side. If you want to any, I have to choose that medium gradient. And then after, direction of that, which type is linear, or there is a given the radial, rectangular, path and slide. From tiles, suppose I have to choose from the radial. See, and now this is time is the in radial position, and direction for that, which type, if you want to in center or right side corner, left side corner, up side, bottom side, you can choose from this side. First is like this type, and second you can choose it will be go that side, means this side. Here is where my mouse is blinking, and now it is in center point, means it is the radial in the center, and it is the corner side of the right side up, and it is the left side of the up position. And you can choose from the color also. I want to change that color, click on or choose the color which you want from theme colors, and then see it is the created for that. And now you can choose from here to radial. See, it is changed. Or any you can add also. Suppose I want to add other color, double click and choose the color for that one. Suppose I have choose the blue. See, this is a now, and also you can create for that different color from here. Yes, you can choose from that side. You can make by yourself which type you want to create it, and position is given from here. Choose the position if you have to increase or decrease from this side, percentage of that radical position from here to transparent, or you can also transparent from this side, it will be transparent. Brightness you can increase or decrease from here, it will be go and decrease for the up, and from 0 you can put on if you want, you can choose. And here is a given the apply to all. If you have to click apply to all, means it will be, suppose I want to see here apply for all. When you have to create a new slide, it will be already, see, already it has created. Means if you have to apply for only this file, you can don't and choose. Suppose I want to click on here one more color, I want to add it and choose the red color. See, and don't apply for all one. When you have to click on once again new file, new slide, see it is the background of that one. Here is a given which you want from this format background, solid, gradient fill, pictures or texture fill, patterns fill, hide background graphics. Suppose you have to solid from here and choose only one color, not a mixture color, only one color. You can choose from more colors or eyedrop colors. More from here you can choose any one, customize for that one, choose any one from this one. You can make your pictures, your colors from here, like you want to make your colors which are not inside standard color. Suppose this color is not inside, you can make this different color if you want. Suppose I want to this color and click on OK. Now see it is a change that color. Gradient fill you know, and pictures or textures from this side. You can choose the pictures and texture from that file and folders also. There is a given many types of files and pictures. Colors is here, presets are given also. You can choose any, suppose this type and that type you have to give. This is the artistic, it is a given from this side. Artistic effect, if you want to choose from this side, you can select anyone. See it has its changes. You can choose from the transparency and the smooth also. Yes, you can decrease and increase to a smoothness, or you can click on to reset. Yes, from pictures collection, if you have any pictures you can choose from this side, and from there some patterns are given to that one. Presets, preset for that contrast. Suppose I want to this change that pictures brightness and contrast also. and any pictures you can insert from this side. Insert picture from file if you want. If you have any pictures, you can choose from this side. Suppose I want to have a picture, I have a pictures to from this side, I want to collect from that side to check. Yes, I have to apply for that one to insert a pictures. Yes, next topic is what is animation. Animation is a visual effect applied to individual item on the slide, such as graphics, titles, or bullet points. Animation is a visual effect applied to individual items on the slide, such as graphics, titles, or bullet points. And animation text an object. Animation is a great way to focus on important points, to control the flow of information, and to increase viewer insert in your presentation. You can apply animation effect to text or object on individual slide, to select an object on the slide master, or to placeholder or custom slides layout. There are 4 different kind of animation effect in PowerPoint 2013: exit effect, emphasis effect, and motion path. What is the entrance effect? For example, you can make an object fade gradually into face, into focus, fly onto the slide from an edge, or bounce into view. Exit effect. These effects include making an object fly off of the slide, disappear from view, or spiral off of the slide. Emphasis effect. Example of these effects include making an object shrink or grow in size, change color, or spin on its center. And motion path. You can use these effects to make an object move up or down, left or right, or in a star or circular pattern, among others effects. Students, how can you add animation to an object? I want to show here. Before that, first open Microsoft PowerPoint and make an object and give the effect on that. Suppose I want to rise a sun, change that colors, styles, and set of the sun. See with carefully how can give the effect, how can give the animation on that particular object. I want to share my screen to see it. Open Microsoft PowerPoint. Type here Power PNT to open, or select from here to open. Yes, I have selected this one and opened this PowerPoint. I want to choose the background of that. Layout is there. There are 9 types of layout given Microsoft PowerPoint. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth. I want to choose the blank and change the color of that. Suppose I want to change that color from background. Right click of the slide. It is a slide where you have to make the presentation, and you can also choose the slide background. Click on the design tab and choose the format background. But I want to click on home tab and right click of the slide and choose the format background and choose the color. If you want to this one, you can choose from that side, or you can change the color from that side to open. Suppose I have opened this color. Yes. Now click on insert and choose the shape of shapes. Illustration group is here, and click on shape option and choose from here to for sun a smiley face. Yes, suppose it is your son. That is click on it is a safe field. If you want to color for that, choose the color from there. Yes, any color from that side. Yes, suppose I want to choose that color of that, and outline shape is there. I want to choose this color. Yes, their line is there, you can from that side. Okay, how can you give the effect of this object? First, select that object where you want to give the animation effect. Choose the animation effect, then choose the animation pen. Okay, first close this and choose the animation pen. Now add animation. There's a 4-way is given: more, emphasis, entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion path. I want to choose that one, more entrance. When you have to click on more entrance effect, now it will be appear. I want to choose the zoom. To enter entrance effect, see, you can see here is a given entrance effect from the zoom. Yes, I have choose from the zoom, and double click on this to open a property, or right click on this and choose the effect option, and timing is given. Click. If you have to click your mouse, or if you have to choose with previous, means when your slide will be open, it will be running without any clicking. If you have to choose the after previous, means it will be display after any other effects, then after it will be come. Okay, suppose I have to with previous and click on here, duration is there, very slow, and repeated. It is depend on you. Okay, click on OK button. It will become like this type. Yes, it is the entrance effect. And how can you give the second effect of the emphasis? Once again, select your object and click on add animation and choose the emphasis effect. And there are many types of emphasis effect as given: fill color, grow, spin, line color, transparency. I want to choose complementary color too, and click on OK button. Property, right click and choose the effect option, and timing is given. I want to choose here after previous or with previous. Now, and very fast means medium or slow you can choose, or very slow also, and depend on this until end of the slide for this one, and delay for that 0.5 second and click on OK button. You can see easily here is a change. Now last effect for that, add animation and choose here more exit effect, means exit effect, and once again I want to choose zoom for exit and OK button, and click on that one with after previous and very slow, and click on OK button. Now it will be go back side. How can represent of your this PowerPoint presentation? Very simple to represent your this presentation. First is for shortcut key from your keyboard F5 or You can choose from here. It is a symbol slide show, or you can click on the slide show tab and click to slide show. Yes, from beginning it will be start from this side. Start from beginning F5. You can see here. Start the show from the first slide, from the current slide. Suppose you have to make other slide is here, but it is a first slide, only first slide, it is a from this side. Okay, if you have to click on this, it will be, see how can represent this file. Very simple. Yes, it has a change the colors. Yes, and going back. So yes, when you have to click on enter button, it will be end of the slides. Here is the given end of the slide. To click exit. If you want to once again click on that, there is a option, it will be appear. Suppose I want to back of that, and click on next. See, it will be appear once again. And click on for the next. There are two types. You can press the right arrow key for the forward, or you can from here to also click or for the exit of the presentation. Maybe you have understood how can you create PowerPoint presentation, give the effect of the simple, add entrance effect, add emphasis effect, add exit effect. Do the practice at your home. If you have computers, laptop, desktop, a presentation like this type, and give effect by yourself. You can also represent your views and ideas through this PowerPoint. Take care. Bye bye.